Excuse me. Welcome back. This is the Train Expert channel. We're over at the Drakewell station. We should have an OC&T train coming. Let's check it out. Still hear the rumble. Still nothing yet. Get the seat belt ready before. Get the seat belt on ready so we can, before we get over to Perry. Don't start that until after we get the engine closer.
Okay.
Still hear the rumble. That's a loud rumble now. Oh, here they come. Here they come. I don't know if there's got to be a light power or this is got to be freight. Looks like freight. Looks like freight to me. Huh? Yep. Yep, I see freight.
The train doesn't sound right.
Let's see what we got here. I don't see a tom there. There's a jack there. I don't see a tom there. Oh my goodness, look at all them bunch of grain hoppers. Look at that. Wow.
It's like 10, 11 hoppers, 2 tankers.
About 3 tankers.
I wonder why the engine sounded like.
Looks like it's all grain hopper train. There's the end. No, there's 3 tankers there at the end. There's the end now. Oh, this is a big one. It's like 13 mixed freight. I don't know how many cars are. I didn't see how many hoppers. I see 3 tankers there. Yeah, that was a big one. That's the biggest train I ever got. There's the grain hopper. Let's see this thing and then we're gonna get off. A lot of cars over in the Drakewell station.
You want to get over to Franklin? Or I mean,
Perry, yeah. This should be almost done. Let's see the rest of the train so I can get off. So I can get off of this and get back on the Perry Street train. there's the end. All right, that's going to be it. We'll be back on with the next train. Talk to you later.